Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete a video permanently from your YouTube channel. But first, before I get into it, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and also hit the like button to support me. Now, what you need to do is to go and log into your YouTube account. And once you are in YouTube, to go to your YouTube studio, simply click on your videos on the left corner. Now from here, you'll be able to see all the videos that you have published on your YouTube channel. Now from here, you want to go to content to see the list of all the videos that you have on your YouTube channel. If you want to delete a single video on your YouTube channel, identify the video that you want to delete. For instance, I want to delete this video that was removed because of violating YouTube policy. To delete it, hover over it and then go to the three dots options and click on them. Here you'll have an option to delete, but you have to know that when you delete this video, this option cannot be undone. For it will be deleted forever. If you want to delete it forever, go ahead and click on delete forever. You are notified that deleting this video does not remove strikes or restriction and will prevent you from appealing. You have to check this box which says, I understand that deleting this video is permanent and I will lose all access to audience and video analytics. So go ahead and check the box, and now the button to delete forever will be active. Press on it to delete. And as you can see, video successfully deleted, and now it has disappeared from my YouTube channel. By following these simple steps, you will be able to delete a video from your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye bye.